Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic here we are learning to draw how to draw a living room. This is for the month of August. So draw a horizontal line. So this is using a 1 point perspective exercise. You should draw a just give a into like this in the corner. Then draw a square in the center as per the center of point. Then you can feel the walls, 5 walls. Now here I am drawing a rectangular and all the points I'll connect to the point, to the 1 point. So here I am drawing a cube and I am making little dark. A sitting sofa is ready now. Now here I am going to place a TV. So I am checking a height and I am drawing the small rectangular a size, and then from that point I am connecting and I created one cube, so it's look like a TV. And make the all the lines are little dark, and here I am placing the door, and we have door and TV. And for the floor I am giving a mat, floor mat, just one small flat rectangular, and I'm making it dark. So here it's ready a living room. And I'll give one small window here. Here we don't want to join for the points because it's a flat wall. And now the second topic, we are going to do a glass painting using a OHP sheet. This is for the month of August. Here I am using a glass color and a OHP sheet and a outliner. See, this is a outliner for the glass painting, and I am using 6 shades. So this was the art you should draw in your drawing book, and place properly the A4 size OHP sheet on top of that, and using a tape just paste it, because we don't want to move it like little up and downs, so I'm using a tape here. So this is a outliner for the glass painting, black outliner. So draw the margin and keep completely outline. How you drawn, based on that you should use a outline. Don't do too broad, it should be like very thin. So not to give too thick, it should be a thin. So the technique using a outliner, it's a based on how we'll use a mehendi cone. Please make sure that you are doing properly in a flow. Do it very slowly, don't do it fast. Once it complete a outliner, it should be dry at least minimum maximum for 4 to 5 hours. Just switch on the fan and keep it for the dry, or if you are keeping for natural dry, keep it for whole night. Sometimes when even though you are giving a pressure to flow like this, if it is not coming, don't give it too hardly. Just in a side waste of paper or in waste of cloth, just check once and you can use it. Sometimes that filling is not coming, you may feel, and if you are pressing very hard, then lot of outliner ink will come out. So do it very slowly and carefully. See that background outline I just given like very randomly. Okay, there is no any particular line, just you draw the flower and then randomly you can give a lines in the background like that. And check before completing, you completed the outline, whether it's filled or not. Even remember that even you should give a outline like this. Keep it for dry, let it dry completely. You can see the outliner and the drawing sheet. Yes, it's dried now. I'm using a 6 shade of colors. For the flowers I'm using a pink color, and for other I'm using a, see when it's this kind of bubbles, if it comes, you can use a safety pins or else you can use a sharpened pencil, okay, to just blow out that bubble. So here for the complete flowers I'm using a pink, and for the stem and for the leaves I'm going to use a green color. Background I'm going to use a blue color. Do it very carefully. If it is not filled in an outline properly, a color will move out, because glass painting will be in the base of liquid consistency. Okay, so for that this outline is required. So here I used a black color. Even outliner, glass painting outliner will be available in different colors also, golden, metallic colors, it will be available individually. So this black color outline will be available in the set of that box only. So make sure that you are not making with the bubbles. Do it very slowly and carefully, that it's not going out of the line. And even you should give like when you are coloring, it should be in the same measure. You can't do like some place it was like very dark, some place it was like very light or something like that. Make it almost it's very even. So you should do very slowly. Completely it should be filled with the even, and avoid when its bubble comes, use the technique what I teach. See, now we completed with a pink color and a green color. Now for the background I'm going to use a blue color. See, we are getting lot of bubbles. I'm trying to blow out with the pencil. See that? You can use a sharp pencils also. So you should keep your book like flat only. Don't keep it like a slant. If you keep it like slant, then the color will come to in one corner. Because I told previously only the glass color paint will be in the liquid form. And even though that outline is not clear, if some space is there, the two color will merge and mix. For the complete background you should use a blue color. So fill a blue color, complete background. See, in the same way you should stick in your drawing book with the OHP sheet a glass paint after completely it dried. Once it completed, don't close it, you should keep it for dry. The color spreading in the even way is very important. See, here we are using like A4 size of the OHP sheet, or if you are doing like very big size of than this, we can use a brush. So here it's like very small ratio of the places we are going to fill the color, so we are using directly the tip of the bottle. When we closing this, make sure that you in a waste cloth you are going to be clean, very clean. You are going to clean the tip of the bottle and you are going to close the cap. Otherwise, once it dried, it will not be like in a liquid form, it will dry soon. And also it will be stick to the cap. Use the same design, don't get confused with some other designs and all. This is like very simple and neat. The flower of direction you can change, or size also you can change, but don't change the color. Okay, the glass painting which the color I use like pink, green and blue, even you should use in the same way. So once it completed, it looks so colorful, right? Yes. This is how it's look a fine. The first topic we learned a living room. We did a diwana, mat, window, door and a TV for the living room. Second topic we did a glass painting using a OHP sheet. Thank you.